Hi there. Today's video is about the Scotland Scholarship for Pakistani female students. The scholarship is funded by the British Council for Pakistani students studying in any of the Pakistani university. Before moving forward, I request you to subscribe my channel, and now you can see the official website of British Council elaborating the basic criteria for the scholarship. This scholarship is for undergraduate or postgraduate students studying in any of the Pakistani university. In this scholarship, you will get your tuition fee, your university hostel fee, and your travel fee. Subjects that are relevant to this scholarship are education, sustainable energy, food security and agriculture, health sciences, STEM, and climate change. For the scholarship, you must be a Pakistani national and pursuing a 2-year master's degree or 4 years bachelor degree, and must hold a confirmed admission letter from your university. Now moving towards the application method. Here are the two links. First one is for bachelor's and second one is for the master's or MPhil program. You can click any of them according to your need. And this is the application link. You can click on it. There are documents that you have to submit in a single PDF file that must contain your CNIC, your father pension slip or salary slip, your copy of result card, your copy of offer letter of the university admission, and then tuition fee, and then scan copy of disability certificate if available, and then a personal statement that is containing 500 to 1000 words. You must have to attach all these documents in a single PDF file in this box. After adding PDF file in this box, you have to click on the yes option and then click on the next. You will fill all of your basic information. After filling your basic details, you have to click on the next option. Here you will on the yes option if you have a confirmed admission letter from your university. Here you will fill your university roll number or registration number. Here you will select your university and your current semester, current CGPA, your type of university, public or private, and your degree. Details of your university. You will click on the next option. You will click here no option if you are not availing any other scholarship. Again no. In this section you will fill your previous educational details. You will add your obtained marks and your percentage and click on the next option. Yeah, I'm not working now. And here you will fill your household status. After filling this, you have to click on the next option. Yes, I'm Hostlight. Here you will fill your home address as well as university address and then hostel on campus. Yeah, I'm not a disabled person. I'm Muslim. Okay, now this is the main part by which you can grab this scholarship. You have to write 500 to 1000 words paragraph in which you will mention that why do you think yourself eligible for the scholarship. You can also add other supporting documents in your PDF file. Be natural in this section and write your own story. You will definitely succeed. Now, thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel for more updates like this. If you have any query, you can ask me.